Good morning to all. Today we are discuss about the HTTPS and SSH. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is an extension of Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It provides security to the data between the website and web browser. It is used for secure communications. This HTTPS protocol uses 443 port number for communicating the data. There are different types of port number and also called HTTP over SSL because HTTPS communication protocols are encrypted using the SSL. URL of HTTPS start with HTTPS. HTTPS means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Connection initialization. How the connection is established. First, the client initiates a connection to the server on the appropriate port and then send to the TLS client hello to begin the TLS handshake. Client send a connection to the server to start a handshake. After the TLS handshake is finished, client may initiate the first HTTP request. All HTTP data is sent as TLS application data. In HTTPS has 3 levels of connections. At the first HTTP level, the client requests a connection to the HTTP server by sending a connection to the lowest level. Next lowest layer is the TCP. At the level of TLS, a section is established between TLS client and TLS server. This section can support one or more connection at any time. TLS request to establish a connection begins with the establishment of TCP entity on the client side and TCP entity on the server side. This is the process of the connection, how the connection established between client and server. Then connection closure, how the connection will close. An HTTP client on server indicate the closing of a connection using connection close. This indicate connection will be closed after this record is delivered. At the TLS, proper way to close a connection is for each side to use the alert protocol to send a close notify alert. We close a connection using a close notify alert. TLS implementation must initiate an exchange of closure alert before closing a connection. TLS implementation sending a closing alert closing the connection without waiting the peer to send its closure alert, generating an incomplete close. This is the connection closure of the HTTPS. Next one, SSH. SSH means secure shell. It is a protocol for secure network communication. It is simple and inexpensive to implement. Initial SSH1 is focused on providing a secure remote login facility to replace Telnet and other logon schemas that provide no security. After replacing SSH1 is focused. SSH provide a more secure client or server capability and also network functions such as file transfer and email. A new version SSH2 fixes a number of security faults in the original schema. SSH client and server application are widely available for most operating systems. It is a method of remote login externally and is rapidly become one of the most pervasive applications for encryption technology. This is the SSH work. First, client initiate the connection by contacting server. Second, sends server public key. Third, negotiate parameters and open secure channel. Fourth, user login to server host operating system. This client and server inside them. The SSH architecture is made of 3 layers. There are first one transport layer, second one user authentication layer, third one connection layer. The SSH protocol is an open architecture. It provides great flexibility and SSH use for other purpose instead of a secure shell. In the SSH architecture, the transport layer is similar to transport layer security. The user authentication layer can be used with custom authentication method, and connection layer allows the multiplexing different secondary section on a single SSH connection. First one, transport layer. It is the top layer of the TCP IP protocol suite. For SSH2, this layer is responsible for handling initial key exchange, server authentication, setup, encryption, compression, and integrity verification. It works as an interface for sending and receiving plain text packet up to size 32 768 bytes. Next one, user authentication. It is responsible for handling client authentication and provide various authentication method. The authentication is done at a client side. When a prompt occurs a password, it is usually for a SSH client rather than a server, and the server responds to these authentications. This layer contains various methods of authentication. First one, password. Password authentication is a straightforward way of authentication. It includes the feature of change the password for easy access, but it is not used for all the applications. Next one, public key. Public key is the key-based authentication method which support DSA, ECDSA or RSA key pairs. Next one, keyboard interactive. It is one of the versatile authentication method. In this, the server send a information and client send back it responds to the user. It is used for one-time password for OTP authentication. Next one, GSS API. In this method, the authentication is performed by external methods such as Kerberos 5 and NTLM, which provide a single sign-off capability to SSH sections. Next one, connection layer. The connection layer defines various channels through which SSH services are provided. It defines the concept of channel request, and a global request. One SSH connection can host different channels simultaneously. It can also transfer the data in both directions simultaneously. Channel requests are used in the connection layer to relay out of band channel specific data. For example, the altered size of the terminal window or the exit code of the server side process. The standard channel types of connection layer are: first one, shell. It is used for terminal shell, SFTP and execution request. Second one, direct TCP/IP. It is used for client to server forward connection. Next one, forward TCP/IP. It is used for server to client forward connections. Thank you.